Hey there, smart home enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in home tech to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something straightforward but essential: how to turn on your Ecobee thermostat for 2025. If you're upgrading your home setup or just got this sleek device, you're in the right place. This quick guide will have you up and running in no time, saving energy and staying comfortable all year round. First things first, let's make sure you're prepared. Your Ecobee thermostat should be properly installed on the wall or wherever you've mounted it. Double check that it's connected to a power source. Most models plug into your home's wiring, but some might use batteries or a USB adapter. Once that's sorted, locate the main display. It's that modern touchscreen you've probably already admired. Now, onto the fun part, turning it on. Simply press and hold the power button, usually found on the side or bottom of the device, for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the screen light up, and it might go through a quick boot up sequence. If it's your first time, the thermostat will prompt you to connect to Wi-Fi and set your preferences. Use the intuitive touchscreen to follow the on-screen instructions. Just tap to select your network and enter your password. One common hiccup is if the device doesn't respond. Make sure your home's circuit breaker is on and there are no loose wires. If you're still having issues, check the Ecobee app on your phone for remote troubleshooting. It's a game changer for these smart devices. And there you have it. You're now the master of your Ecobee thermostat. Remember, keeping it updated ensures optimal performance and energy savings. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.